Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm your storyteller, ready to take you on amazing journeys through different tales. How are you guys? Today's audiobook is Extreme by Emma Barrett and Paul Martin. Let's get started. Extreme: Why Some People Thrive at the Limits by Emma Barrett and Paul Martin is an intriguing exploration into the psychology of individuals who not only survive but excel in extreme conditions. Through a blend of scientific research, personal anecdotes, and psychological analysis, Barrett and Martin dissect the traits, mindsets, and behaviors that enable some people to thrive where others would falter. We begin by delving into what makes an environment extreme. It's not just about physical danger. Though that certainly plays a role, it's about unpredictability, isolation, and often the overwhelming magnitude of the challenge. Whether it's scaling Mount Everest, venturing into the depths of the ocean, or navigating the Antarctic wilderness, these environments demand more than just physical endurance. They require a psychological robustness that allows individuals to maintain focus, composure, and resilience in the face of extraordinary stress. Barrett and Martin introduce us to the concept of psychological resilience. This trait is more than just a buzzword, it's a crucial element that differentiates those who succeed in extreme environments from those who don't. Resilience, as they explain, isn't about bouncing back from adversity unscathed, but rather about adapting and learning from each experience, however harsh it may be. The authors reference a variety of studies and examples, from astronauts to explorers, highlighting how resilience can be cultivated through both experience and mindset. A recurring theme throughout the book is the idea of preparation, both mental and physical. Those who thrive in extreme conditions are often meticulous in their preparation. They don't just plan for success, they plan for failure. Barrett and Martin argue that this kind of preparation allows individuals to maintain a sense of control, even when things go awry. The authors recount stories of adventurers who, despite facing near certain death, managed to survive because they had mentally rehearsed the worst-case scenarios. The book also explores the role of personality traits in extreme environments. Barrett and Martin draw on psychological research to identify common traits among those who thrive at the limits. For instance, a high tolerance for uncertainty and an openness to new experiences are often found in successful explorers, athletes, and soldiers. The authors point out that these traits don't just help in surviving the immediate dangers, but also in making sound decisions under pressure, which is often the difference between life and death in extreme situations. Interestingly, Barrett and Martin don't shy away from discussing the darker side of thriving in extreme conditions. They acknowledge that the very traits that help individuals excel in these environments, such as risk-taking and a relentless drive, can also lead to negative outcomes. The authors delve into cases where highly capable individuals have pushed themselves too far, leading to catastrophic consequences. This discussion serves as a sobering reminder that thriving at the limits isn't just about glory, it's also about understanding and respecting one's own limits. Social dynamics also play a crucial role in extreme environments, and Barrett and Martin emphasize the importance of teamwork and leadership. In many of the examples they provide, from polar expeditions to military operations, the success or failure of a mission often hinges on the group's ability to work together under stress. The authors explore how effective leaders manage to inspire trust and maintain group cohesion, even in the direst of circumstances. They also touch on the psychological impact of isolation and the ways in which social bonds can either mitigate or exacerbate the stress of extreme environments. Throughout the book, Barrett and Martin maintain an engaging and conversational tone, drawing the reader into the world of extreme environments with vivid descriptions and thought-provoking insights. They don't just present dry academic theories, they bring them to life with real-world examples and a deep understanding of human nature. The narrative is peppered with fascinating stories of survival, making it clear that the ability to thrive at the limits is as much about psychological strength as it is about physical prowess. In conclusion, Extreme: Why Some People Thrive at the Limits is not just a book about adventure and danger, it's a profound exploration of the human spirit. Barrett and Martin succeed in showing us that thriving in extreme environments isn't about being fearless or invincible, it's about preparation, resilience, and the ability to adapt. It's about understanding that the mind is as crucial a tool as any piece of equipment when facing the world's most daunting challenges. And perhaps most importantly, it's about recognizing that the limits we often fear are not fixed, but can be pushed and expanded with the right mindset. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe the Sonic Library for more audiobooks. I hope this story left you with something to think about. Stay tuned for more new videos.